Hello traders and welcome to this video market analysis. We will take a look at the commodities and their positioning in the market. First of all, let us go with the gold. We can see the gold is in kind of a long-term uptrend channel, and if you look at this Andrews Pitchfork channel, for which we do have an education on tradingdna.com, like the other stuff for traders, you can see that it is now ranging between median line and 50% of the upper half of the channel. So it's in kind of a consolidation, and it's testing 1780 level for the downside reversal. As we can see here, it has broken below the consolidation triangle, but not followed through below 1800 for the downside reversal. On a daily, we can see that it's reversing today, but we need to see much more confirmation to enter the short trade. The similar situation is with the silver. If you look at the weekly chart of the silver, you can see that this is the strong area of the upside resistance around the 28 level. It is where it's stuck with the long wicks on the candles. Is testing 26 to 26.5 upside support and the downside resistance for the reversal lower. Okay. Regarding oil, it's a completely different situation. The oil has already broken below one long-term trend line, is currently testing the other, which is 58.4. It has broken above this trend line, which is around 56.5 level. And it's a good indicator that it will continue higher, and we are targeting 70 and possibly much more before a reversal lower. The only obstacle, the resistance, is the next resistance is around 60, which is the round number for the oil. So we will see the reaction. We will see the reaction on it. We had there long trade. We will close it for a profit taking, and we will wait for a break above 59.5, maybe 60 for a new trade entry. This is a copper now. It's kind of similar to a Bitcoin and its parabolic rise to the upside. If you look at the weekly, it has a perfect bullish candle for the upside continuation to 3.98. But you need to be careful with long trades, of course. It has broken the consolidation triangle. But rather than going long at this point, despite the inside bar it has now, you don't have a good risk to reward. Okay, so you need to be careful with the long trade entry, and possibly maybe even better to short near the 4 than anything else on the copper. Okay, so be patient with the copper. Copper is a good indicator also for the risk on trading, and we can see that copper is basically near some, let's say, soft resistance of the highs like the stock indices are. Briefly, let's take a look at the Brent oil, which is similar to WTA, WTA, Texas oil. It's testing a strong upside resistance, 63, but technically positioned better than the oil because it has broken above the falling long-term falling trend line, which is a strong indicator that it would continue higher. So if you want to trade the oil, possibly it's better to trade the Brent than WTI at this point. If you want to risk a little, to place a stop loss below 15.9 and target 70. Okay, this was it for this brief analysis. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and go to Trend Trading DNA for more analysis, trading signals, and everything else related to trading. Goodbye. Have a nice trading week and rest of the day.